Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to write the letter U. Okay, there's not so much actually that you can do with the letter U, because that's basically two single strokes like this, nothing too fancy. Sometimes you can have one of the strokes a little bit higher than the other one, like this, or the second one. That's when you want to make a little bit bouncy style. Sometimes it works really nice, and you can connect it with other letters or not connect and make it like this. I will show you more on practice. Okay, let's see how it looks with a brush pen. That's two simple strokes that I've showed you in the first video of the practice. Well, it can be a little bit thin here and going down, and yes, something like this probably. Okay, and let's make the last one as well. Yes, something like this. Let's try it in a word now. We will use the word Uber. Starting like a regular one. B. So we will connect the E using this trick that I've already told you about. And this small R here. The brush pen gets really not as crisp as it was in the first video, so it's more and more harder to control, but I'm making the best out of it. Then we will try the word bud. I will try to use some different style here. We'll see how it turns out. And the D the same height as the B. Okay, in here you can add a little bit more down here and down here as well. Cut the corner here. Add something here. And adds a little bit more to the D. Okay, something like this. And now I will try the word truck. And in here the letter U will not be connected and have something like this style here. And will not be connected. And let's see what we can use. We'll use this brown brush pen. Big T. Adds a little bit more volume to the bottom of the letter than on the top. Then like this. T. Cross bar here. Then R. This brush is much newer than the blue one, and it works much smoother. Okay, R, and here goes the U. Adds a little bit more down here, and will not connect it. And you see here, that's the down part of the letter, and ideally it should be the same here. Like this. See, can make it pretty close to the U. And the K, the same as the T, a little thinner up top and thicker at the bottom. And the final part. Okay, that's how you write the letter U.